Hello, everyone. Welcome to Feedstuffs 365. I'm Sarah Muirhead. In Mexico's livestock industry, variability is a constant challenge, from fluctuating raw material quality to rising input costs and environmental pressures. Producers across poultry, swine, and cattle operations are being asked to deliver more consistent performance with fewer margins for error. One egg producer in Mexico, managing 1.7 million hens and producing 60,000 metric tons of feed annually, has used this challenge as a turning point. Joining us with this story and insight, not only for the poultry industry, but also for swine and cattle producers, is Johana Ciro. Johana is Director, Creation, Design, and Development at ADM. Welcome, Johana. Thank you for joining us here today.
Thank you, Sarah, for this invitation. It's a pleasure for me.
A reminder for those of you that are tuning in, if you have any questions, feel free to post those there on your screen or in your social media feed, and we'll get those over to Johana. So let's start by having you describe a bit about your SINCRO offering. That's something new and something that we'd love to hear more about.
Okay, SINCRO is an ecosystem of pharma solution and services designed to support farmers and feed professionals with nutritional insights, optimize feed formulation, and continuous monitoring and adjustment. These services are delivered by our dedicated in-house teams that have specialized knowledge across multiple fields, are supported by digital solutions that can be deployed directly in the field. SINCRO has three pillars: is performance, nutrition, and control, encompass entire production process. An organization's data is translated into actionable insights to effectively manage variability in operational performance. Variability affects price, ingredient quality, and nutritional values, animal requirements, and more. The combined effects of variability influence so technical and economic performance, leading to resource and financial losses.
In a story on the ADM website, you shared an example of where ADM transitioned from basically a traditional supplier role into more of a strategic partner with this egg producer that I mentioned here in Mexico. What kind of prompted this change, and why is it a new model and maybe even a better fit for something like this?
Yes, this is a great example of our SINCRO Services in action. Our customer is an egg producer managing 1.7 million laying hens and producing 60,000 metric tons of feed annually. We start as a supplier focused primarily on feed additives, but as the production environment became increasingly complex, there was an opportunity to reassess how ADM delivers value. We shift to a more holistic approach with interconnected solutions that can address variability and deliver more consistent outcomes, our SINCRO service.
So what are some of those specific changes that this egg producer implemented, and what kind of difference did those changes make?
Okay, about our three pillars. First is performance. Through on-farm audits and performance tracking, so technical data was analyzed consistently and production bottlenecks were identified. The second pillar is nutrition. Feed quality was linked directly to animal performance and profitability. Precision nutrition was tailored to poultry life stage, and ongoing adjustment adapt to ingredient variability. And control, the last pillar, real-time quality control was implemented with a combination of NIR calibrations of raw materials and finished feed, mycotoxin risk management tools, RF analysis of mineral composition, and laboratory analysis for deeper validation. Notably, the implementation of XIR technology at ADM's premix plant in Tepatitlan, Mexico, is groundbreaking in the Mexican market. Within 1 year of implementing customized SINCRO services, this producer increased marketable egg production by 10%, generating over 200,000 in additional profit from improvements in each, also able to reduce inefficiency in feed formulation from variable raw material quality, improving flock performance. This is the case in our market in Mexico.
Those are pretty significant numbers that you noted there. Where do you see this partnership? Do you see it continuing to evolve? And if so, what might that look like?
Yes, we believe SINCRO will continue to unlock new opportunities. This partnership took operational research and extend it to a more proactive and profitable production system. The producer has already added chick quality programs and additional technical services to their operations for ongoing optimization. Instead of reacting to variability, they can anticipate it and adjust in the moment. Technologies will continue to evolve, and ADM's expertise and capability will continue to grow. This is only the beginning.
So is SINCRO, is it specific to the poultry industry, or does it have application in other sectors as well?
Okay, quite the contrary. The case study we are discussing today is only one example. ADM SINCRO Services and Smart Solutions are customizable and can easily support the needs of swine and cattle operations. We take a customer-centered approach to understand specific challenges and recommend tailored solutions. We offer SINCRO in place beyond Mexico, such as Spain, Italy, France, Indonesia, and the US. It's important to mention not all products and services are available in all areas, however.
You've seen similar results, though? I mean, you're not going to be totally comparable to poultry, but you've seen improvements, then it sounds like, when you add this system into an operation, into a cattle or swine operation.
Yes, this is a great opportunity to improve with our customer because ADM is a consultant. We want to improve the production system, and we can provide our services, our knowledge, because we want to grow and improve with our customer.
What final thoughts, key comments do you want to leave our audience with here today?
Okay, ADM has a great team, a great technical team. Our region is North America, such as Canada, USA, Mexico, and the Caribbean. And in this moment, we offer our service in this country. And the most important point is we want to offer our expertise, our technology, and our products for the customers. And the idea is improve and growth in the different markets, Canada, USA, Mexico, and other countries.
Where would someone go to get more information or to find out, how to be part of this program?
Yeah. In each country, you can find our experts, our leaders in poultry, swine, ruminant business, and this expert can provide the different options according with your challenge in your production system. In this case, our leader and experts they can offer on point age service and solution.
Very good. Johana, thank you so much for your time here today. We appreciate you being with us.
Thank you, Sarah, for your invitation.
Likewise, we appreciate all of you tuning in and joining us here today. Until next time for Feedstuffs, I'm Sarah Muirhead.